What's up, y'all? I just wanted to do a really quick video on my lunch for the week. So wraps are one of my favorite lunch items because they are so versatile and quick to make. So this week I use shrimp, sometimes I use chicken. You can really use whatever meat you want, or you can do no meat and just vegetables. It's up to you. If you're interested in this quick, simple, and healthy lunch option, then please stay tuned. Already started drinking this shake, which I need to stop because I need to make sure I have enough for tomorrow. So I have my shake. I also have my apple, and I have some almond butter. I also have this little bar, a sweet and salty granola bar. I have some popcorn, and I have my wrap. Throughout the day, I drink water. I drink out of my filter Seychelles water bottle. So that is pretty much it. I'll probably be eating this for the next like 2, maybe 3 days. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.